Well, today I repair the Rokit 5. I think this is the clone Rokit, and all the circuits are not like the original ones. This is no power set. Yeah, a friend gave me to repair this set. Yes, firstly I found that this is the 220-volt power supply. Yeah, and this is the relay board. The relay board, and this comes into like that 220, yeah, 220 circuit it is, and it goes into the relay circuit, and this transformer generate standby 5 volt for this power IC. Yeah, it has these ICs are TG2052, like, yeah, I think TG2052. This IC need to be run for 5 volt supply for the mute pin. Yeah, it has pin number 3 is mute pin. So this circuit board generates 5 volts for this power amplifiers. Yeah, we can find this board anywhere, and I cannot order this IC too. My country is very hard to order spare parts from abroad. Yeah, so I make this 5 volt regulator board. Yeah, from this 12 volt. Yeah, 12 volt regulator plus 12 volt regulator. I take the voltage from plus 12 volt regulator and feed the 5 volt regulator, feed volt 7805. Yeah, and that 5 volts goes into that. Here you see there's a 3 pin. Yeah, it mentioned that one is standby, one is 5 volt, and the other one is DG. That's in digital ground, I think. So as soon as I apply the 5 volt pin, and the amplifier is turned on. Without this 5 volt, you cannot hear any sound from this circuit. Yeah, these ICs are, I think these ICs, they need to be fed 5 volt for the muted pins. So I make this little 5 volt regulator. Yeah, I'll show you. Yeah, then power on. I feed my power signal generator. There you see. There you see. Okay, now it's generate outputs. Yeah, I think these circuits are very. There's no service manual for this circuit on the internet, and you have to rely on your own instinct. Yeah, that's all, folks. That's the only 5 volt regulator. I feed to this mute pins, and the signal is power. You can hear the speaker. Okay. So now it's okay now, I think. I will later repair this card, the circuit board. I think this is the switching IC, or I don't know, like that. I think this one damaged. We cannot order from a country because of lack of import-export laws in our country. It's very hard to order this kind of boats from. Yeah, you can find these IC very cheap on AliExpress and Lazada and something like that. Yeah. Someday I'll order it and I'll try it again. If it is okay, I will hear the relay clicking sound. Tuck. Yeah. Okay, now. Yeah. Very bad, very bad.